Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School, Toddi, Gudagodji. And today we will read the remaining part of operation on a matrix. And let's start the next operation, multiplication. Multiplication. Two matrices A and B are compatible for multiplication if the number of columns in matrix A is same as the number of row in matrix B. It means two matrices A and B are compatible for multiplication if the number of column in matrix A is same as the number of row in matrix B. Let matrix A is equal to Aij M cross N. Order of matrix A M cross N. And second matrix B is equal to Bij. Order of matrix B P cross Q. Matrix A into matrix B. Order of AB. Order of AB N is equal to P. It means number of column in matrix A. Number of columns in matrix A N is equal to number of row in matrix B. Number of row matrix B P. It means N is equal to P. N equal to P. If N equal to P, the possible of matrix A into B. Otherwise, not possible of matrix A into B. Again, if N equal to P, it means number of column in matrix A N is same as the number of row in matrix B. It means N is equal to P, the possible of matrix A into B. Otherwise, not possible of matrix A into B. Okay. For example, matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. And matrix B, order of a matrix A 2 by 3, and matrix B is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2. Order of matrix B 3 by 2. A into B, number of column in matrix A, 3 is equal to same as the number of row in matrix B, row 3. It means 3 is equal to 3. Column and row equal. It means A and B, the possible of matrix A and B. It means A into B is equal to 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 into 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. Matrix A multiply matrix B is equal to rules of multiplication. First row of matrix A into first column of matrix B. First row into first column of matrix B. First row of matrix A. It means R1 into C1. 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 3, 9, plus 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Again, first row into second column. It means R1 into C2. Okay. 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 2, 6, plus 2 into 1, 2. Again, second row into first column. It means R2 into C1. Second row into first column. 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 into 3, 6, plus 1 into 1, 1. Again, second row into second column. R2, C2. Okay, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 2 4 plus 2. Sum 4 plus 9 plus 1 10 14, 6 4 10, 6 3 9 7, A into B. Okay, next, scalar multiplication. Constant multiplication. The matrix obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A. The matrix obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A by any non-zero scalar. It means 1 to infinite. By any non-zero scalar in n is called the scalar multiple of A. By n and is denoted by n. It means matrix A is equal to 2 3 1 2. Order of matrix A 2 by 2. 2 into A, scalar multiplication 2, constant number. 2 into A is equal to multiplied by of matrix A by 2. 2 into A is equal to 2 into 2 3 1 2 2 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. It means scalar multiplication. The matrix obtained by multiplying every element of matrix A. Every element of matrix A. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. Every element of matrix A by any non-zero scalar. It means 2. N is called the scalar multiple of A by n and is denoted by n A. It means 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A. Okay. Next, multiplicative inverse matrix. Multiplicative inverse matrix. If product of two matrix, it means matrix A into matrix B, multiply. If product of two matrix A and B of same order, matrix A 3 by 3, matrix B 3 by 3, same order, okay, is a unit matrix. Is a unit matrix. If a product of two matrix A and B of same order is a unit matrix, it means A into B is equal to I identity or unity matrix. AB is equal to I equal to B. Then B is called multiplicative inverse of matrix of A. Then B is called multiplicative inverse of matrix of A, and A is called the multiplicative inverse matrix of B. A multiplicative inverse of A multiplicative inverse of B. Okay. If AB is equal to I is equal to BA, AB equal to I, BA equal to I, then A and B are called inverse matrix of each other. Okay. For example, matrix A 3 by 3, same order, and matrix B 3 by 3. Okay. If product A and B is equal to unit matrix, AB equal to I, B equal to I, it means A and B are called inverse matrix of each other. Okay. Next topic, zero divisor. If product of two non-zero matrix A and B is 0. If product of two non-zero matrix A and B is 0, then A and B are called zero divisor. Okay. For example, matrix A 1 3 1 3, order of matrix A 2 by 2, order of matrix B 2 by 2. Okay. A is equal to something and B is equal to something. A into B. It means if product of two non-zero matrix A and B is 0, A and B, matrix A multiply matrix B is equal to 0 matrix. That is, matrix A and matrix B are called zero divisor. Okay. Operation on matrix complete. Next, exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Question number first. if matrix A is equal to something and matrix B is equal to something, then find A plus B and A minus B. Order of matrix A 2 by 3. Order of matrix B 2 by 3. Order of matrix A is equal to order of matrix B. So the possible of matrix A plus B and matrix A minus B. Otherwise not possible of matrix A plus B and A minus B. Hence A plus B is equal to -3 2 1 1 -4 7 plus 3 5 -2 -1 4 -2. Okay, -3 plus 3 0, 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus -2 it means -1, 1 plus -1 it means 0, -4 plus 4 it means 0, 7 plus -2 it means 7 -2 5, implies A plus B. Okay, again A minus B is equal to -3 2 1 1 -4 7 -3 5 -2 -1 4 -2 is equal to -3 -3 it means -6, 2 -5 -3, 1 minus plus it means 3, 1 minus plus it means 1 plus 1 2, -4 it means -8, 7 minus plus 7 plus 2 9. That is the answer. Okay, A minus B. Order of matrix A 2 by 3 is equal to order of matrix B 2 by 3. So the possible of matrix A plus B and A minus B, otherwise not possible. Question number 2. If A plus B is equal to -7 0 to -5 and A minus B is equal to something, then find matrix A and B. Okay, equation first and equation second. Addition of the equation first and second, we get A plus B plus A minus B is equal to -7 0 to -5 plus 3 -2 0 3 is equal to B cancel out, A 2A is equal to -7 plus 3 4 -4, 0 plus -2 it means -2, 2 plus 0 2, -5 plus 3 it means -2, implies A is equal to 1 by 2 into -4 -2 2 -2. 1 by 2 into -4, 1 by 2 into -2, 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into -2. It means -2 -1 1 -1 matrix A. Okay, putting the value of matrix A in equation first, from equation first, -2 -1 1 -1 plus b is equal to minus 7, 0, 2, minus 5. Okay, implies b is equal to minus 7, 0, 2, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, implies b is equal to minus 7 minus plus, it means minus 7 plus 2 minus 5, 0 minus plus, it means 0 plus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, minus 5 minus plus, it means minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. That is answer A and B. Okay, next question. Question number 3. If matrix A equal to something and matrix B is equal to something, then find matrix C where A plus to B plus C is equal to 0 matrix, where 0 is a 0 matrix. Okay, given that A plus to B plus C is equal to 0 matrix, implies find the value of C. It means C is equal to 0 minus A minus 2B is equal to 0, 0 matrix. It means 0 is equal to same order matrix A and matrix B, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Order of matrix A 3 by 2, order of matrix B 3 by 2, and same order of matrix 0 3 by 2. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus matrix A 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2 into matrix B 2, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 0 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1 under multiply, plus minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, plus 1, plus minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, plus 2, 0. Okay, is equal to, implies C is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 4, it means minus 5, 0 minus 3 minus 2, it means minus 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, plus 1 plus 0 1. That is answer. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. धन्यवाद.